We are gearing up for Memorial Day this weekend, marking the unofficial start of summer and peak grilling season. And while it's easy to indulge on classic cookout favorites, today I'm sharing some simple ways to keep your Memorial Day menu delicious and healthy. Memorial Day is a great time to enjoy fresh, seasonal ingredients while still celebrating with all the flavors we love. Starting off with the grill. Grilling is a great way to keep meals light and flavorful. Typically, grilling means preparing the food with less added fat. We want to look for proteins with less saturated fat, and since we're using dry heat to cook it, we also want to be sure to avoid choosing tougher cuts that can dry out easily. For added convenience, the fresh, pre-marinated chicken breast from Food City's meat department is lean, flavorful, and juicy, and it saves time since you don't have to think about making a marinade the day before. All you have to do to prepare is throw it on the grill and then pair with some shortcut zucchini, yellow squash, and corn for a perfectly balanced dish. If you love steak, try sirloin. Top sirloin is a great protein to add to your rotation because it's one of the leanest cuts of beef and it's still tender, so it goes well on the grill. Or if you're craving a burger, Food City certified butchers grind beef in-house every day for the freshest taste. Leaner options are 90% or more lean. And for a produce pairing, try sauteed or foil grilled mushrooms, peppers, and asparagus and baby potatoes. When it comes to side dishes, try swapping a few ingredients in your classics with lighter alternatives that still taste great. Try Greek yogurt potato salad. Simply swap the mayonnaise for Greek yogurt, and to get a nice tangy flavor, add some mustard, fresh chopped dill, and a squeeze of lemon juice. It's creamy and flavorful with a fraction of the calories. For more texture, go ahead and add peas and chopped onion if you like. And then, of course, for pasta lovers, try a bacon and pea pasta salad swapped with whole wheat pasta for additional fiber and vitamins. You can make it classic with mayo and Dijon, or again, lighten it up with a simple vinaigrette with mustard, lemon juice, olive oil, and fresh herbs. From grill-ready favorites to refreshing side dishes, balance your plate all summer long with Food City. For more recipe inspiration, you can go to foodcity.com.